Best 3C All-in-One Toolbox app for Android is a comprehensive utility application designed to optimize and manage various functionalities of Android devices. This app combines multiple tools into one package, offering features such as task management, system monitoring, and performance optimization. Users can find tools for managing apps, such as batch uninstalling, backing up, and restoring applications. It also provides system information, allowing users to monitor device performance, storage usage, and battery health. The app typically includes options for managing permissions, network connections, and even CPU settings to enhance overall device efficiency. Additionally, Best 3C All-in-One Toolbox may offer features like file management, allowing users to browse and organize files easily. With its user-friendly interface, the app aims to simplify device management, making it suitable for both casual users and advanced Android enthusiasts